this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Room has been moved around a bit and still not quite sorted, so reveal to come. But I ordered some fabric from Abercorn online and it came the other day. I opened it to check everything was in it, and it is, so I thought I'd just show you what I got. And then I can actually put it away. First of all, this is satin, crepe backed satin, and in a lovely terracotta. I've got 5 metres of that, and that was about just over £10. A couple of pounds for a bag of felt pieces, but I've got something in mind for those. There's a bag of stretch knit fabrics, and they were about £12 I think for 3, and there's 1.5 metres of each, so they'll do some more trousers. I have had some of this material before and I know it works out well, so I might do a tap to match. I love velvet, love it. So I bought some in this lovely royal blue colour. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if you're making it out. In this lovely royal blue colour. I had about a couple of metres of that, and I've had a couple of metres in this cornflower blue, and I thought they'd go really well together. That's for some clothes. I got exactly the same but in salmon pink, and I got 5 metres of this, and only cost me about £12, something like that. And so I'm going to make an outfit for me and Christmas presents for Lich's grandkids. Just some little brush cotton fabric. I liked it. Not sure what I'm going to do with it though. I wanted some thick interfacing, so I'll put that with the other interfacings. It may look like they sent me the exact same thing. They haven't. This is like polyester animal type print, silver on black, 2 metres, and that is gold on black. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I liked it, so I've had it. Oh. I obviously go through quite a few quilting machine needles, so there's some more. Should have got more than just the 1 pack with it being the sale. And I'm not much with gloves, so I bought these, see if they help my fingertips grip. We'll see. I bought some more. No, there's 5 metres of this cream jacquard print. Not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for, but I know I'm going to use it. And I bought 2 lots of the sateen curtain lining, that because the quilt, the whole cloth quilt I'm making. I'm putting together quilt as she goes down, and I haven't got enough, so I bought some more to see if I can get it done the way I want it done. So we'll find out. But that's it. Empty box now. So there has been a Fabric Friday with all my bits, but now I can put them away. Thank you. Bye.